The crisis of focus. We live in the most distracted era in human history. Notifications, social media, constant input, and yet the ability to focus deeply has never been more valuable. Cal Newport calls this ability deep work, the skill of concentrating without distraction on cognitively demanding tasks. Most people struggle to focus not because they lack intelligence, but because their attention has been fragmented. Shallow work dominates modern life. Emails, messages, multitasking. These feel productive but create very little value. Deep work creates clarity, mastery, and meaning. The problem is not that focus is impossible. The problem is that most people have never trained it. Why focus feels hard now? Your brain is shaped by what you repeatedly do. Constant switching trains your mind to crave novelty. Every notification releases dopamine. The brain learns to seek interruption. Over time, sustained focus feels uncomfortable. This is not a personal failure. It is neurological conditioning. Newport explains that attention residue occurs when you switch tasks. Part of your mind stays stuck on the previous task, reducing performance. Multitasking does not save time, it degrades quality. Deep focus feels hard because the brain is out of practice. The solution is not more willpower, it is retraining attention. The rules of deep work. Deep work requires rules. First, schedule focus. Do not wait for free time, block it intentionally. Second, work with intensity. Deep work sessions are short but demanding. Third, embrace boredom. Resisting the urge to check distractions strengthens focus. Fourth, reduce shallow work. Not all tasks deserve equal attention. Focus improves when boundaries exist. Structure protects attention. Time blocking and ritual. Time blocking is central to deep work. Decide in advance what you will work on and when. This removes decision fatigue. Ritual reinforces habit. Same time, same place, same rules. Your brain learns this is focus time. Ritual reduces resistance and increases depth. Even 60 to 90 minutes of deep work per day can outperform hours of shallow effort. Consistency matters more than duration. Eliminating distractions. Focus cannot coexist with constant interruption. Phones are the biggest threat to deep work. Even when unused, their presence reduces cognitive capacity. During deep work, remove the phone completely. Close unnecessary tabs. Silence notifications. Create a friction-filled environment for distraction. Deep work requires deliberate isolation. This is not antisocial. It is intentional. High-quality output demands uninterrupted thought. Focus improves through training. Start with shorter sessions. Increase gradually. Expect discomfort. That discomfort is focus strengthening. Just like physical training, progress feels challenging before it feels rewarding. Do not escape boredom immediately. Let the mind settle. This builds attention control. Over time, deep focus becomes easier and more natural. Track hours of deep work, not time spent busy. Measure output, not activity. Ask, what meaningful progress did I make today? Deep work produces tangible results, ideas, solutions, creation. This reinforces motivation. Clarity follows depth. Deep focus is a competitive advantage. In a distracted world, focus is rare, and rarity creates value. You do not need more tools, you need fewer distractions. Schedule deep work. Protect it. Train it. Focus is not lost, it is neglected. Reclaim it deliberately, and everything you work on improves.